Hey awesome people, we're going to be learning today how to make reels, text appearing and disappearing in reels, and stickers. Let's get into it.
Let's start with making a reel and picking the videos that we want to add to that reel. And once we do that, we can add additional clips if we need to. Once we do that, we can add text the way we want. Here I'm kind of just playing around with how I want it to look and appear. Once I found that, I can kind of go and adjust the clip to how I want it to appear and where I want it to appear in the video. Now I'm just finishing adding text to my video and just showing you that it appears at the bottom left as a separate button. We're gonna go back to that later. Now at the top right, we're gonna add a sticker, which is my cheesy sticker there. And we're now gonna edit clips and make sure everything's where we want it to be and that it looks great. What I ended up doing was I deleted the second video I had because the clip was too short. And once I did that, I had to just rearrange the sticker and the text to where I wanted it to be. And then I was done. And this is what the video looked like. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some fun music to this video. Once you've added the music, you're gonna go ahead and save this video as a draft. To access that draft, you're gonna go to your profile, click Reel, click your camera roll at the bottom left, and then click Draft. And there we have it, your draft. Now we're gonna go ahead and schedule this under Advanced Settings. Once we click that, there's a Schedule Reel button, which we can then go ahead and put it at a time that we like. On the top right of your profile, there are 3 dashes. Click that and you'll be able to see your scheduled content button. Once you click that, you'll see the time and date you scheduled your content for. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep making content and improving to what you would like to see. Bye.